Chapter 17. Lionel Messi hangs up his boots. Learning objective 1. To understand Messi and his love for football. 2. To understand football game rules. Warm up. Activity definition. Active decision making. Skills active. Isolated technical or tactical skills from game situations in a small group with some opposition in which the players are active decision makers. Unidirectional games. Unidirectional in a small group towards one line, example 2 versus 1. Small-sided and conditioned games. Bidirectional with a team versus team but with variations to player numbers, rules, goals or areas of play, example team scoring by dribbling across end line. Possession games. Games with no goals in which the main intention is for one team to maintain possession of the ball from another. Phase of play. Unidirectional match play in a larger group towards one goal. Non-active decision making. Fitness. Improving fitness aspects of the game with no focus on technical or tactical skill, example warm-up, cool-down, conditioning. Technical. Isolated technical skills unopposed either alone or in a group. Skills. Non-active. Isolated technical or tactical skills from game situations in a small group with some opposition in which there is no active decision making for the players. Other. Transition. Movement from the end of one activity to the start of another activity. It is activity that is not football related, example during breaks. This includes the coach's explanation for the forthcoming activity and debrief of preceding activity. Soccer is one of the most popular sports in Europe and America. It has a vivid and interesting history in the world of sports. Early evidence of soccer being played as a sport finds occurrence in China during the 2nd and 3rd centuries BC. In China, it was during the Han Dynasty that people dribbled leather balls by kicking it into a small net. Recorded facts also support the fact that Romans and Greeks used to play ball for fun and frolic. It is said that early growth of the modern soccer started in England. It is said that during the medieval times, the old form of soccer used to allow many ill practices like kicking, punching, biting and gouging. The main aim was to carry the ball to a target spot. People grew so fond of the game that they would throng the field all day long. The history of modern-day soccer was established in 1863. Whilst the eyes of much of the world had been on the European Championship, a scarcely believable story occurred that sent shocks waves reverberating around the world. The story is 11 years after making his debut and 4 final defeats later, the world's best player Lionel Messi retired from international football on 26 June 2016 in the aftermath of Argentina's penalty shootout loss to Chile at the Copa America. Lionel Messi is an Argentinian footballer widely regarded as one of the greatest players of the modern generation. He had been playing for FC Barcelona and the Argentina national team. He has won FIFA World Player of the Year 4 times, a record already. He has often been described as Diego Maradona's successor because of his prolific goal scoring record and ability to dribble past opponents. Lionel Messi was born 24 June 1987 in Rosario, Argentina to a working-class family. His father was a factory steel worker and his mother was a cleaner. He began playing from an early age and his talent was soon apparent. However, at the age of 11, Messi was diagnosed with growth hormone deficiency (GHD). This was a condition that stunted growth and required expensive medical treatment, including the use of the drug human growth hormone. Local club River Plate were interested in signing Messi but didn't want to pay for his medical treatment. However, Messi was given a trial with Barcelona and coach Carles Ricac was impressed, offering Messi a contract which included paying for Messi's treatment in Spain. Messi moved to Barcelona with his father and became part of the prestigious FC Barcelona Youth Academy. Messi progressed through the ranks and was given his first appearance in 2004-05 season, becoming the youngest player to score a league goal. In 2006, Messi was part of the double-winning team which won both La Liga Spanish League and Champions League. By next season 2006-07, aged just 20, Messi was the first choice striker and a key part of the Barcelona team, scoring 14 goals in 26 league games. In the 2009-10 season, Messi scored 47 goals in all competitions, equaling Ronaldo's record total for Barcelona. As the seasons have progressed, Messi kept improving and breaking his own records. In the calendar year of 2012, he broke the all-time world record for most goals scored in the calendar year. His final total of goals in 2012 was 91, beating the previous record of 85 by German Gerd Müller and Pele's milestone of 75 in 1958. At the start of 2013, in club football, Messi scored 292 goals from a total of 359 appearances, and in international football, 31 goals from 76 appearances. Because Messi was brought up in Spain since he was 11 years old, he has Spanish nationality. In 2004, he was offered the chance to play for Spain's under-20 side, but Messi decided to play for Argentina, the country of his birth. He led Argentina to victory in the 2005 FIFA Youth Championship. Messi made his full international debut in August 2005 during a friendly against Hungary. In his first game, Messi was sent off for allegedly elbowing a player. The decision was contentious and not in keeping with Messi's style of play, which is not dirty and has very rarely been accused of diving. In 2006, he participated in the World Cup, becoming Argentina's youngest player to play in the World Cup. Argentina were eliminated in the quarterfinals. In 2008, he won an Olympic gold medal for Argentina in football at the Beijing Olympics. Initially, Barcelona had not allowed him permission to play, but new coach Pep Guardiola allowed him time off. In the 2010 World Cup, Messi wore the number 10 shirt and played well to help Argentina reach the quarterfinals, but Messi struggled to score and Argentina disappointingly lost 4-0 to Germany in the quarter-final. Messi had admitted he is desperate to play in a World Cup final. Pelé, by contrast, was part of Brazil's 3 times winning World Cup side 58, 62 and 70. What is so frustrating for anybody that has followed Messi's career is that for all his individual and club level honors, he has always fallen short internationally. This is a player that has won 5 Ballon d'Ors, 4 Champions League trophies and 8 league titles, yet he cannot seem to repeat the feat on the international stage. That maybe says more about the caliber of his Barca teammates than his own ability, but he has clearly reached a point of such disappointment that he feels he can try no more. One Olympic gold medal does not do him justice, and he may be joined by arch rival Cristiano Ronaldo as one of the best players to never win a major international honor. Like Messi, the closest Ronaldo has come to date is a defeat in a final. That Euro 2004 final against Greece was a defeat that left him distraught and adamant he would lead Portugal to glory. He has in return become Portugal's record scorer and made more appearances than anyone else for the national side. However, unless Ronaldo gets a European Championship medal this summer, you have to feel he won't win a major honor with his country, and when he plays for Portugal, he seems a frustrated figure just like Messi has been in an Argentina shirt recently. Teammates, pundits and ex-Argentina international stars had all been pleading with Messi to change his mind to give the fans one more World Cup to try and get the elusive title when the tournament comes around again in 2 years and Messi will be 31. But if Messi really has made up his mind and really won't be reversing his decision, then it is a massive moment in footballing history. It would mean a player widely regarded as the best to ever walk the planet will have fallen short on the biggest stage. It will mean Messi will never be a world champion, and if rumors that his fellow internationals are contemplating following their captain into retirement prove to be true, it would mean a huge rebuilding job for Argentina. Messi is widely regarded as one of the most exciting players of the modern age. In fact, my age, he has a peerless ability to dribble and take in an opponent. Maradona has described his ball control as supremely good. The ball stays glued to his foot. I've seen great players in my career, but I've never seen anyone with Messi's ball control. Find meaning. Reverberating. He repeated several times an echo. Debut, a person's first appearance in a particular capacity or role. Successor, higher, apparent, clearly visible. Contentious, likely to cause an argument. Accused, a person with a charge of crime or offense. Eliminate, completely remove. Distraught, very worried and upset. Adamant, refusing to change one's mind. Elusive, difficult to find. Massive, great. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Read to discover our top football facts for kids and tell your story about how you relate to it. 1. Football is the world's most popular sport. It's played in over 200 countries by over 250 million people. 2. Football is said to have originated in China. There's also historical evidence of people kicking a makeshift ball around from the Middle Ages. 3. Football is known as soccer in America and Canada. 4. The origins of modern football begin in England in the mid-19th century. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. A. Lionel Messi, who is aged 29, decided to quit international football in a spur of moment after losing a match against Chile in European Championship. Do you think it was a good judgment? How do you feel? B. Who is the winner of European Championship 2016? Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Some football terminologies are given in the crossword puzzle. Read the hints and encircle the terms in the crossword puzzle. Hints: the card is held up by a referee to signal a caution for a minor infringement. 2. A player whose job is to stop the opposition attacking players from goal scoring. 3. Any illegal play. 4. The specialized player who is the last line of defense who is allowed to control the ball with his hands when in the goal area. 5. An attacking player whose job is to finish attacking plays by scoring a goal. 6. A player who plays nearest to the opposite team's goal. 7. The official who is in charge of the game. Logical thinking. Look at the pictures below and discuss the following. 1. It would mean a player widely regarded as the best to ever walk the planet will have fallen short on the biggest stage. A. Who is the player being talked about? B. What does the words biggest stage refer to? C. Did the player miss any feet under his feet that he might have cherished forever? 2. The ball stays glued to his foot. A. Who said these words? B. Why did he say so? C. Do you agree with the speaker? Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Who is Lionel Messi? When and where was he born? Answer. Lionel Messi was born on 24 June 1987 in Rosario, Argentina, to a working-class family. His father was a factory steel worker and his mother was a cleaner. 2. What incident moved Messi to Barcelona with his father and made him become part of the prestigious FC Barcelona Youth Academy? Answer. Messi moved to Barcelona with his father and became part of the prestigious FC Barcelona Youth Academy. 3. Why was Lionel Messi described as Diego Maradona's successor? Answer. Lionel Messi was described as Diego Maradona's successor because of his prolific goal-scoring record and ability to dribble past opponents. Number 4. What was the profession of Messi's parents in his childhood? Answer. Messi was in a working-class family. His father was a factory steel worker and his mother was a cleaner. 5. When did Messi make his full international debut? What was happened in his first game? Answer. Messi made his full international debut in August 2005 during a friendly against Hungary. Messi's first game was Messi was sent off for allegedly elbowing a player. The decision was contentious and not in keeping with Messi's style of play, which is not dirty and has very rarely been accused of diving. 6. In which year and what occasion did Lionel Messi win an Olympic gold medal for Argentina in football? Answer. Messi won Olympic gold medal in the year of 2008 in Beijing Olympics. 7. Write down some great achievements of Lionel Messi. Answer. The great achievements of Lionel Messi has won 35 major trophies with FC Barcelona, making him the most successful player in the club's history. His trophies include 10 La Liga, 7 Copa del Rey, 4 Champions League, 3 FIFA Club World Cup, 3 UEFA Super Cup and 8 Super Copa de España. Find their meanings. 1. Contemplated, to think carefully about something or the possibility of doing something. 2. Rebuilding, to build something again. 3. Tournament, a competition in which many players or team play games against each other. 4. Reversing, to put something in the opposite position to normal or to how it was before. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. Number 10 is head. 2. Ronnie talks to Scholes. 3. A German player hits the ball. 4. Number 7 deflects the ball. 5. The referee sent off to the linesman. 6. The ball crosses the woodwork. 7. The referee shows a yellow card. 8. The ball bounces on the goal line.